It's another decision families will need to chew over around the Christmas table. Vulnerable children between 5 to 11 years old will be offered a COVID-19 vaccine. Leon has 2 children under 11. He agrees those most at risk of the virus should be protected, but would hold off from rushing to put jabs in all their arms.
I think it's important for them to be exposed to this. Had it been something a bit more menacing, I think, where the mortality rate there was much greater, then I think it would make more sense. But as we're moving through this pandemic, we're learning more, and I think it's important to recognise that our views at the beginning of this are actually going to be different, and that's how science works.
The Pfizer vaccine has been approved for all children aged 5 and over, but some 330,000 deemed vulnerable will be the first to get it. A relief for some parents.
We automatically inoculate our babies when they're born, and we've done so for absolute years, and we know it's safe to do so. This is just the start of something else that will, generations, it won't be a big thing.
The dose would be smaller, around a third of the amount given to an adult. The scientist's decision follows careful consideration.
Most children, and certainly all those in the trial, the side effects they experienced were very mild indeed. Parents should be reassured that JCVI have looked at this data very carefully.
The UK's medicines regulator looks at the data and decides if a product is safe. And in this case, they've said that it is. But it's down to the government's advisors on vaccinations on who should get it. And their consensus at the moment is that healthy 5 to 11-year-olds shouldn't get it just yet. But some are questioning the hesitancy to go further.
It's quite clear that the virus is spreading between children of primary school age quite a lot, and there's the risk of them spreading it up to parents at home and to their teachers. My feeling is, given the way things are going, that the evidence of benefit over risk is leaning far and far more and more towards benefit.
With the focus on the booster programme, there is no rush for the children's rollout. It's now a choice many parents will need to make, whilst others without the offer face a longer wait. Ashna Harinag, Sky News.